do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one.
Hi love, welcome back to today's video, and you're welcome back to another tutorial video with Chicks Dema. I think this is my first tutorial video on YouTube, but yeah, today I'm going to try recreating a Pinterest hairstyle that I saw, a hairstyle that I saw in Pinterest basically. And this was supposed to be an Instagram video, but I decided to make it a YouTube video to show a detailed tutorial of the hair. And yeah, so this is the hairstyle, and she is one of my favorite natural hair influencers, natural hairstylists, whatever you guys call it. But yeah, I really love watching her creations. She inspires me to do a lot of things. So I decided to recreate this hairstyle as a protective style for the week. And I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you try it out. So when you do, please let me know. Drop a comment, say something, just let me know that you've tried the hairstyle. So let's go straight into it.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think
I got my hair in a protective style. I blew dried and washed my hair yesterday, so um this is what it looks like the day after.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find the one, give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, that I try to need you.
So all we need for this hairstyle is beads, beads and these. So these are all we need for this hairstyle, and any edge control of your choice. So I'm still going to read my scrunchie for my back hair. Let's get some part of my hair. And I'm gonna just trying to see myself in the mirror.
Only you feel my body. You don't need no other body. Say not me the mess of my mind. I'm not me to make you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say everything together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you goodbye. Yeah, you could leave. I'm stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Hey, baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. Got till the morning, my one put on from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all you. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all. Make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all. Make I give you all you need, baby. Yeah.
So I'll do this for the rest of my hair, and then come back to show you guys what the back looks like.
take chocolate, fine, no bucket, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, chocolate, go share it, yeah, in my day, the ball, see, kill your fat, why now, my lady, tell me what's in your body, I'm a damn easy, baby, and you want to give me control, even want to get out, I'ma make up my eye, I'ma need your gun, I go my eye, I'ma need your gun, do maybe, I don't money days, do maybe don't go carry belly, do maybe, let one of me see, yeah, come see, yeah, baby, make a come, make a come, make a come, make a keep a tick, your body, make a come, on a make it shake it, fine girl, make it over there, do fine boy like this, so if I hear see want I go vex, okini nafia, okini baby, okini lemi, okiti, plenty money, okini nafia, okini baby, okini. Make a come, make a bong, make a come, make a keep a tick, your body, make a bong, on a make it. Kilo fait, I'ma take chocolate, fine, no bucket, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, chocolate, go share it, yeah, in my day, the ball, see, kilo fait, why now, my lady, tell me what's in your body, I'm a damn easy, baby, and you want to give me control, even want to get out, I'ma make up my eye, I'ma need your gun, I go my eye, I'ma need your gun, do maybe, I don't money days, do maybe don't go carry belly, do maybe, let one of me see, yeah, come see, yeah, baby, make a come, make a come, make a come, make a keep a tick, your body, make a on a make it shake it, fine girl, make it over there, do fine boy like this, so if I hear see want I go vex, okini nafia, okini baby, okini lemi, okiti, plenty money, okini nafia, okini baby, okini.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, that I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I just to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Said I need the mess of my mind, and I need to make you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you goodbye, yeah, you could leave. I'm stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Get me what needs to me. I just wanna let you know ways. No one wants you the same way. Rock till the morning, my one put on from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need, give me all you need, give me all you, give me all you need, give me all you need, give me all. Make I give you all you need, every touch you need, give you all, make I give you all you need, baby. Yeah. You don't need no other body, you don't need no other body, only you feel on my body.
So I've come to the end of this hair tutorial. This hair took me roughly about 2 hours, mostly because I had to divide the head first. If you don't divide your hair first, I think it might be faster. I don't know, sincerely. And then secondly, I ran out of beads and I had to find a place to buy extra beads. I couldn't find, so I had to like divide some parts at the back. I really know what my back parts are, but I'm not going to show you guys. So yeah, I think that's all. So this is the final look, and I really hope you like the hair, because I do like the hair. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and do not forget to like this video, please. Don't forget that part. Bye. Bye.
Fine, fine, no bucket, watch your love for like it, why not?